Hello, students. My name is Todd Swackhamer. I'm the sixth grade assistant principal at the Health Sciences Academy at Monroe Middle School. This is my third year at HSA, and I'm very excited for the 2020-2021 school year. It is going to be a very different year, but we're going to accomplish many great things together. I have spent over 21 years with Union County Public Schools. I was a teacher for 14 years. In the past 7+ years, I've been an administrator. I spent most of my career in elementary school, so middle school is relatively new to me, but I've been enjoying my stay here very much. I have two wonderful children who attend Piedmont Middle School, and they'll be going through the same challenges you are this year. So I look forward to seeing how your challenges and their challenge mirror each other and how we can get through it together. I hope everyone has a wonderful year. If you have any questions, I'm always free and available to help you out. I look forward to seeing you in the hallways and virtually. Have a great year.